You ever heard of house burping? It's a new trend. Yeah, we'll talk about that. Plus, since we're getting ready for this freezing cold weather to be coming in very, very soon, what are some of the cool things you love to do outside in the cold? You know, some of the stuff you love to do in the cold. Let me know what's going on. It's Hitman with you. Make sure you join me on Big 93.9. Got all that coming up, plus the all request hour on the drive home. So use the talkback feature on the iHeartRadio app, your random fact for the day, and your feel good story today, and a chance to win $1,000. It's all this afternoon. So make sure you listen to us on the iHeartRadio app. We're Big 93.9.